In today's video, we're going to do a full tutorial on Kajabi. We'll be going over each Kajabi plan, specifically looking at the features, the limits, and the overall price of the plan. We'll also be discussing which plan may be best suited for you depending on your experience and what stage in your online business that you're at. So if you're thinking about switching to Kajabi and you want to have a detailed look at the plans and also what those things are inside of the actual Kajabi software, then this video is for you. Kajabi offers 3 different paid plans, all at different price points. The first plan is the basic $149 per month plan. The second is the growth plan at $199 per month. And the third plan is the pro plan at $400 per month. And as you can see, each one of these plans have different features and different limitations depending on which plan you choose. So let's get into each one of these plans to understand what limitations and what features you're getting in each plan. The first feature that's included in all of Kajabi's plans are products. But there is a limitation on how many products you're able to create in each one of the plans. In the basic plan, you're able to create 3 products. In the growth plan, you're able to create 15 products. And in the pro plan, you're able to create 100 products. So what exactly is a product? A product in Kajabi can be anything from an online course, a resource center, a membership, or any teaching tool. And this is where you would find your products on the Kajabi dashboard. In order to create a product, all you would need to do is click products. And once you click products, you'll have the choice of creating a brand new product, or you can use a pre-made template. So depending on which your online course or your online coaching business is about, you would then select the most relevant pre-made template. And keep in mind, depending on the plan that you're in Kajabi, that will determine how many products you're able to create. So if you're on the basic plan, then you'll be able to make 3 products. If you're on the growth plan, you'll be able to make 15 products. And if you're on the pro plan, you'll be able to make 100 products. And just to clarify, this is what your product would be like. Your product is essentially the online course, the mini course, the coaching program, or the membership site where your customers will be able to enroll in and access all the materials for your online business. The second feature that's included in all of Kajabi's paid plans is called pipelines. And in the basic plan, you're able to build 3 pipelines. And in the growth plan, you're able to build 15 pipelines. And in the pro plan, you're able to build 100 pipelines. And if you're wondering what a pipeline is, then it's essentially Kajabi's version of a funnel. In order to start building your pipelines on Kajabi, then you need to head over to marketing, and under email campaigns, you'll be able to start building your pipelines. Similar to products, you'll have access to a bunch of pre-made templates in which you could use for your pipelines. But if you wanted to create a brand new or a custom pipeline, you're able to do so. Some of the most common pipelines that you'll use in your online business is a freebie pipeline, a sales page, a product launch, or a coaching campaign. And to start creating your pipeline, you would just click on whichever one that you wanted to work with. And this is what the overview of your pipeline would look like. So when it comes to pipelines, you want to make sure that you're keeping in mind the plan that you have and how many pipelines you're able to create. So in the basic plan, you'll have access to 3 pipelines. In the growth plan, you'll have access to 15 pipelines. And in the pro plan, you'll have access to over 100 pipelines. Included in all of the plans for Kajabi is unlimited landing pages and unlimited marketing emails. And unlike products and pipelines, there's no limit on any of the plans, and you're able to create as many landing pages and send as many emails as you like in each one of the plans. In order to access your landing pages on Kajabi, you'd go onto the website section, and under website, you would click pages. And landing pages would be the same thing as a standalone page. And from there, you'll be able to use any of the pre-made templates and themes that Kajabi has. And in all 3 of the Kajabi plans, you're able to create as many pages as you like. You also have access to unlimited marketing emails. So what that means is no matter how many people you have on your Kajabi plan, you're able to send emails to every single one of your members or your contacts for free. And this can help you save money because most email providers will charge you based on the number of contacts that you have in your email marketing software. So once you're staying within the limit of the plan that you have, whether it be 10,000 contacts, 25,000 contacts, or a 100,000 contacts, you won't have to pay additional money to send emails to your customers. So that brings us to contacts and active members. Now this can be a little bit confusing if you're new to Kajabi or online course platforms. So we'll explain exactly what the difference is between a contact and an active member. A contact is anyone that's given information to your business. What I mean by that is anyone that's subscribed to your email list, anyone that's purchased an offer or a product. So it's essentially every single person that's given you some sort of information through Kajabi. A member is someone who's purchased or bought an offer, a product, or completed any sale through your Kajabi platform. And an active member is someone who's purchased one of your services or product, but has logged in activity within the past 30 days. So this can be someone who's completed a course, someone who's viewed your course materials, or someone who's opted into one of your other products or services. And depending on which Kajabi plan that you're on, there's a limit for how many contacts and how many active members you can have. So on the basic plan, you have a limit of up to 10,000 contacts and 1,000 active members. And in the growth plan, you have access to 25,000 contacts and 10,000 active members. And on the pro plan, you have access to 100,000 contacts and 20,000 active members. This is one of the most important factors that you need to think about when choosing your Kajabi plan. If you're still in the early stages of your online business and you don't have that big of a following, then the basic plan would be more than enough for you. But if you already have a pretty big following and you're experienced in your online business and you're transferring over from a different online course platform, then you may want to go ahead with the growth plan. But again, if you don't have that much of a following, you always want to start off with the basic plan, and then you can always upgrade if you need more contacts or if you need more active members. Both the basic and growth plan gives you access to one website, while on the pro plan, you're able to create 3 different websites. There's not many cases in which you would need more than one website. So for most people, the basic and the growth plan would be more than enough. And also, because you have access to unlimited landing pages, you won't really need to make another website. If you need to add any pages, you can always add them right from the Kajabi Builder. If you're going to be working with multiple people and different team members may need access to your Kajabi platform, then you really want to consider the admin users for each plan. On the basic plan, you only have 1 admin user, but you have 10 admin users on the growth plan, which would be more than enough for most businesses. And on the pro plan, you have 25 admin users. In order to add a user on your Kajabi platform, then you need to head over to settings, and under account settings, you want to click account users. And this is where you'd be able to assign the roles to any of your team members. The admin would have the same access as you would have as the owner, except they won't have access to your Stripe information. The assistant would have access to all of the information on Kajabi except financial data. And the support specialists can moderate comments and manage people. So you want to keep this in mind when you're assigning team members. Included in all 3 of the Kajabi plans is access to Kajabi University, 0% transaction fees, webinars and events, ready-to-use pre-made templates, the ability to create quizzes and surveys, and 1 customer success activation call. Kajabi University is a resource in which all creators can use to find information on how to build and grow their online business. So as you can see, you can find information on how to build a course, how to build a website, how to build a community, how to build a list, and so on. So if you're new to building online courses or online coaching programs, then this could be an invaluable resource for you and your business. And all plans on Kajabi have 0% transaction fees. So that means any sales that you make, Kajabi does not take a percentage of that sale. But do keep in mind that this is different from your payment processing fees. So if you're using PayPal or Stripe, they are going to charge you a percentage of the course sales, but that would be the only processing fee that you would pay. And on all Kajabi plans, you have access to webinars and events. In order to access webinars or events, you would head over to Pipelines and you would click the Zoom webinar pipeline. And once you do so, you'll be able to create your own webinar pipeline. And you want to make sure that you're putting your Zoom meeting link when you're creating the pipeline. And once you do so, you'll be able to create your webinar event. You also have access to assessments in every single one of the Kajabi plans. And these assessments are in the forms of quizzes and surveys. In order to create a quiz or a survey, all you need to do is head over to your product and click the product in which you want to add a survey or a quiz on. And in order to add a quiz, you would just go to the lesson, and if there's no assessment showing up, then that means you have to create one. So in order to create an assessment, you head over to People. Under People, you click Assessments, and then you add a new assessment. And the ability to create assessments is available in every one of the Kajabi plans. And when it comes to chat support, the main difference is on the Growth and the Pro plan, you have 24/7 access, while your access is a little bit more limited on the basic plan. But if you need that 24/7 chat support, then you may want to think about going with the Growth or Pro plan. Also, in the Growth and Pro plan, you have the ability to remove the Kajabi branding. So what that means on your website and your course player, there won't be any of the Kajabi branding. So you wouldn't see any of Kajabi's logos on your website or your course player, and neither will your customers. And lastly, on the Growth and Pro plans, you have access to affiliate marketing. Now, this option isn't available on the basic plan, and it's something that you really want to consider. On both the Growth and Pro plan, you're able to have other people sell your course and make money as an affiliate. And if done correctly, this could have a direct impact on your revenue, which means you can make a lot more sales because there's a lot more people that's selling your own course. And you can also manage all of your affiliate sales right in the Kajabi platform. So you'll be able to see how many clicks, how many conversions, and what is the conversion rate for each of your affiliates. You would also have the ability to be an affiliate for Kajabi. So that means that you can promote Kajabi to other course creators or business owners. Then you'd be paid a recurring monthly commission for each person that signs up using your unique link. So this would be a great way for you to bring in some extra income into your online business, or an easy way for you to get your Kajabi plan to be essentially free. Kajabi is the #1 course platform for course creators or online coaches, and for good reason. It offers a suite of powerful tools that you can use all on the same platform. And when you think about the money that you're saving on these tools, such as a funnel builder, email marketing software, and webinar softwares, then you realize that Kajabi is fairly priced. Online learning platforms have really come a long way, and to be able to have such powerful tools for such a relatively inexpensive price, Kajabi is truly the #1 course builder that you can get. I suggest trying out Kajabi for yourself and really seeing how powerful the tools and the software is. We'll leave a link below this video in which you can get a free 14-day trial to use Kajabi. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that you have a better idea of which Kajabi plan is best for you.